it's Deanna at Deanna Style, formerly Magical Dun Mama. I am here at Epcot today and doing a quick YouTube vlog. Today's vlog is about SmartBox. SmartBox was introduced to me actually a few years ago now. SmartBoxes come in all different sizes. It is a subscription service, or you can do a one-time purchase. Inside the box is all different snacks. SmartBox caters to all different dietary restrictions. You can do gluten-free, you can do vegan. They pretty much cover every dietary restriction that somebody could possibly have. These make a really great gift to send to somebody, a care package, maybe somebody who's recovering from a surgery. So inside the box, there are basically all different types of snacks, and I have it here at Walt Disney World with me today because my family's here with me, and a lot of the time, to save money, we don't always necessarily eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the parks or buy snacks. It can get quite expensive, so we really like that we can order one of these boxes, and I bet that you could probably send it to your resort too, so it's there when you check in to have it in your room. And we like to bring along a variety of snacks, so we're not necessarily paying for everything throughout the park the entire day. In this box here, there's a variety of items. There are Skinny Pop popcorns on here. There is Veggie straws, Zesty Ranch, and sea salt, so 2 flavors of those. This box is really great for my kids as well because they snack all day long, and so do I, really. Then there are, these are actually my favorite. They're popcorners, kettle corn, sea salt ones. We also have cinnamon tiny pops. There's dried fruit in here, which is really good for when you're walking around the park because it gives you a lot of energy. There is Pirate's Booty in here, another one of my kids' favorites. There is really a lot of stuff jam-packed into here. Granola minis, we have vanilla mini cookies. There is a Rice Krispie treat. These are, I actually had one of these before. Yeah, these are peanut, tree nuts, dairy, egg, wheat and gluten, soy, and sesame free. So all the goodies have really nice products in them. There are Annie's bunnies. There is even, these are like fruit leathers, almost like a fruit roll-up, but they're all natural. More granola bars. There's definitely over 20 products in this box. And like I said, you can get all different sizes of the box, and I just think it's a really good idea to save money at the parks. Not necessarily at the parks as well, but if you pack your kids' lunches, I think it's a great idea. And if there's all different boxes to choose from. So if you find a box that you really like, you can subscribe to it, and you can get it sent to you monthly, so you don't have to go to the store and buy individual boxes or bags of these items. Certainly these popcorners and Veggie crisps and stuff come in big bags. So a lot of the times I feel like even if I portion them out into Ziploc baggies, they go bad really quickly, they go stale. So I like the idea of having smaller packages that you can bring anywhere, put in your kids' lunches. And we are definitely going to utilize this box all day today. And I think that this would be a very sweet gift for a friend, or somebody, like I said, that had surgery, or just to give to somebody for anything, a holiday. And if you don't want a really big box like this, the smaller ones are quite small. They get probably just around 10 or so products in them, and then they get bigger and bigger. One thing I also wanted to add about the boxes is that if you were to individually buy these items, they would be much more expensive than the cost of the box. This box is a little over $30, but just a box of these Kind bars alone is probably like $7.99 where we live in our Publix. So if you were to get, and these are Annie's bars, these are quite expensive too. So the value of the box is amazing for what you're getting, and the amount of money that we'll save at the parks by using this. is incredible. The kids eat a lot of snacks, and all of these food items as well, I feel like are good, nutritious, will give you a lot of energy if you're walking around the parks or if your kids are at school, and it is great value for your money. So that is Smart Box. What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments if this is something that would interest you when you go to the parks or that you could use in your daily life. I think it's a really great option. So thanks for following along with me, and I will be showing pictures of this on my feed and also in the caption going into detail, and I'll list all of the products that are individually in here as well. So make sure you subscribe and follow me on all channels at Deanna Style, formerly Magical Dun Mama. Thanks guys.